First of all, plant the eggplant seedlings or straightaway seeds in a sunny spot. The soil should be well drained and amended with plenty of compost. Eggplants can take different lengths of time to mature depending on variety, but between 10 to 14 weeks is the normal time. And finally, after 14 weeks, harvesting time has come. You can see there is a variety of long and round eggplants here. As you know, eggplants have antioxidants like vitamin A and C, which help protect your cells against damage. It is also high in natural plant chemicals like polyphenols, which may help your cells do a better job of processing sugar if you have diabetes. It is also a full source of iron. You can cook eggplants in a very healthy and nutritious way. As you know, eggplants are full of iron. We should cook it in such a way that its nutrients do not go to waste. And for that, we can cut them in simply 4 pieces, fill in with spices and steam them. While your eggplants are being steamed, you can make a curry separately for it. After being steamed, you can dish out the steamed eggplants and pour your delicious curry on it. And finally, you have a tasty and healthy eggplant.